Hello, in this video I will show you how to download and play any game on an Ultra smartwatch. Before we continue, I hate to be the bad guy, but this video will not work for watches running on Fitpro, Refine, iWatch or any other application except for watches running on Android. Unfortunately for those smartwatches, there is no tricks or code that you can use to play games. To download game on your smartwatch, you will need to connect to a network. Go to your settings and add a Wi-Fi network to your smartwatch. Next step is to open your Playstore and sign in or create a new account. Open the application store and now you will be able to download any games. If you have not bought your smartwatch and you want to play games on your smartwatch, make sure you buy a smartwatch with Android as operating system. As the other smartwatch which uses Fitpro, Refine, iWatch or any other application, you will not be able to download and play any games. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.